just got OBS going, and what I'm going to show you here, I just did a full new install with a new ISO that came out yesterday from Mint 22.2, Linux Mint 22.2, Cinnamon 6.4.8. The full install switches the kernel to 6.14.0.29 generic. I did an upgrade the day before that, before the ISO was available, and my system report stated I could upgrade it. So I upgraded it. Well, it stayed at the older kernel. I think it was 6.8. I can show you real quick, but I don't want to do that. Actually, if I go in here, I could show you what I saw. View, minus kernels, boom. I was on 6.80.79. I was supported to 2029, but 6.14 says it's only until February of 2026. So that'll be upgraded soon, I imagine. Kind of strange. So I left one PC on 6.8, and the other, this mini PC, is on 6.14. And I got the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS with the 780M graphics, integrated graphics. This thing works really good. So that's how that works. And I loaded everything fresh. I haven't moved all my backup stuff over, but I used Flatpak for Kdenlive, GIMP, and what else did I use it for? Kdenlive is 2508.0. Been using it a while. It works great. I did I set up the voice recognition, and that works. So I'm going to get rid of this one here because I had a 720p output on my OBS. I forgot to change that. So I'm going to make sure everything works. But right now, everything I've tried, I used GIMP, I got Audacity, OBS. You know, it looks like 22.1. They're slightly different in a few ways, but I'll refine that. But both of them are running Mint 22.2, two different kernels. So that'll be interesting to see how everything works out. The older kernel is on my mid tower. So that's it for now. I'm going to stop recording.